Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change font on your website. First of all, you have to log in into your Odoo. After that, you have to click on the profile icon and go to My Database. From there, you can access your websites. First of all, in my case, I want to change the font of this website. Just I will simply connect. It will take me to the website, this page. From there, you have to select website. Here you can see my website. Just simply I will go to click on edit. From there I will go to theme. From here you can see the website, you can see the paragraph headings, buttons. So all you can, if you want to change the paragraphs font, you can just simply select and it will change the paragraphs font. If you want to change the headline, all the headings font, you can simply just go to headings and click the preferred font. Here you can see the headings font has been changed. For example, you have to go to, you can just go there and you can see. And if you want to change the font of your invoice, you can simply go to this in menu option, go to settings, and from here you can, in company section, you can find the configuration of document layout. Click on that. From there you can change the invoices font. So if this video found you very helpful or informative, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.